oorNews has been in twa newspapers. We've been the National and the Herald. We bit misrepresentation, but ken, nae really, and I'm fairly happy just to let more folk ken about your news. Because what we're needing is folk to give feedback about Scots. Because it's just a wee project. Ken, folk are stuck siller off of Scots screevers, that sort of thing. But if I was going to read an AI translated novel, I wouldn't. I just wouldn't trust it. Ken, or somebody's used AI as a wee tool to help to start off with it and is tuning off a lot of attention to the proofreading, maybe but nah, like, but for instant press releases, Ken, just getting what's going on, would that hear siller for a Scots language or Scots lead news website? It'd be brilliant if there was. But at the moment there's nae. At the moment it's just me doing press releases about things going on in Scotland in Scots, and I only hate the time to do it for things that really interest me. If at the moment science articles, I'd like to do things about a thing, again, just not just that. But for the new, I'm training my model to translate Scots the way that I want it to scree Scots. And I'm trying to make it again accessible, but nae like wishy-washy, if you can, what I mean. And that's fit why I'm wanting the feedback. But I'm wanting feedback for folk that speak Scots. Again, nae just Scots language enthusiasts. Like, again, I think that's fit here in the northeast, again, and I'm not really getting a lot of feedback. I'm getting just comments about the articles, about actually fits in it, and folk will give the comments in Doric. So I think for folk that speak Doric, I think it's just like, I think it's alright, maybe. Like, I'd kind of probably do things getting better about it. So if I could speak Doric, it'd be great if you could give me some feedback and that. But if you can see, it gets a lot of hits, a lot of folk read it. I'm getting some followers new on Facebook, and I really promoted it. And again, it's getting followers, folk are reading it. And that's what I'm just trying to do. But again, all the AI is there to help. It's main articles, and it's main Scots, it's main Doric. The model's still not quite there, so it's still taking time, and the model itself is based on main screevings. Sorry, my dog's pulling me away. He wants to go for me a walk, and fit why would he in this bonny, again, bonny river dawn. But I will just, if you want to ken more about your news, just watch other videos and again like and subscribe for more and gig and read it, and speak about the articles in Scots with your friends. Again, so like and subscribe for more.